Dive into relative pronouns. Hello everyone. Today, we'll be exploring an essential part of English grammar, relative pronouns. These little words play a vital role in linking ideas together and giving context to what we're saying. So, let's dive right in. Relative pronouns are words that introduce relative clauses. They provide essential or additional information about a noun. The main relative pronouns are who, whom, whose, which, and that. For example, the lady who lives next door is a teacher. I have a book that you might like. Who is used for the subject of a verb. E.g., the person who called me was my friend. Whom is a bit more formal and is used for the object of a verb or preposition. E.g., the man to whom I spoke is my uncle. Whose indicates possession. E.g., the girl whose bag is red is my cousin. Which is often used for things, but it can also be used for animals. E.g., the book which is on the table is mine. The cat, which has white fur, is sleeping. That can be used for both people and things, especially in defining relative clauses, clauses that cannot be removed without changing the meaning of the sentence. E.g., the movie that I watched last night was exciting. 1. Whom is often replaced by who in informal speech and writing. However, in formal situations or tests like the ACT, it's essential to use it correctly. 2. Avoid doubling up pronouns. Incorrect. The woman that she works in the office. Correct. The woman that works in the office. 3. Remember, that is often preferred in defining relative clauses, while which and who are more common in non-defining, extra information, relative clauses. Relative pronouns might seem small, but they're mighty in adding depth and clarity to our sentences. Keep practicing, and soon enough, you'll master their usage. I hope this video has shed light on the world of relative pronouns. Until next time, happy learning!